like a flipping train. Get some bags on now. So yeah guys, this is the BMS induction kit. We're going to get a few pulls of it today so you can hear what it sounds like. You guys haven't seen the M135i in a while. Let's get going. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jamie and I'm back at again with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be doing some clips of my BMS induction kit. I haven't done any clips at all from I put it on the car like months ago. And yeah guys, anyway, I'm just gonna post something quickly and I'm gonna get straight onto the video. But when the car's cold, it normally pops really loud. Some school kids about that really want to scare anybody. But yeah, it's gonna pop loud. Know the vibes. Alright, I'm just going to post offices. Alright guys, just gonna go try and get some turbo noises for you. I don't know if you can hear that one there or not. Oh, you can't really hear that one. Didn't hit enough boost then. There you go. Heard it a little bit then. Probably hear it a bit better with the roof open. There you go, that's a bit better. Ooh, this car just sounds nice. Woo! Sounds like a flipping train. You know the vibes. Let's see if we get a good. Sounds so nice. Oh, bloody shaky around there. Also guys, I'm going to get a POV angle as well so you guys can see. Come on brother, just move your vehicle. Come forward, come forward. On some tight roads at the moment. So how I get it to make dump valve noise is like I press the gas, let go, and then press it again while it's mid boosting, and then it normally just does the whole chew thing. such an effortless car. Get some bags on now. Yeah. Bang spotted. You know the flipping vibes, man. Just causing chaos. Light drive on the way to work. Sounds so nice. Woo! Go on, my G, move up. Thank you. So much chaos out right now. Whew. I'll put this up. Oh my god, that person will just roll back into my car. Get your hill starts right, love. Go on, get your hill starts right. Yes! She done it. Whoa, whoa. I didn't get my hill starts right. I forgot it was in sports mode and the front was really sensitive. Oh man, thank you. But if you're not already subscribed, or if you're one of my new subscribers watching this video, thanks for subscribing. Got a lot more videos coming on the M135i. And yeah, guys,